Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unprivate your Twitter or X account. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open the X application and make sure that you're logged into your account just like this. And then from here, you need to tap on your profile icon right here. So after tapping on your profile icon here, you can see the option of settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. After doing that here, tap on privacy and safety. And then from here, simply tap on audience and tagging. So in here, you can see currently protect your post and protect your videos are turned on in mine. That basically means that my account is private. And in here, you can see the tagging are also off. So what you're going to do is simply tap on those toggle button and turn them off. And then simply tap on photo tagging just like this and turn on this toggle button and enable photo tagging. Now you have successfully unprivate your X or Twitter account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.